Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to make this beautiful and very easy pouch with a very interesting stitch. And probably I'll make two parts of this video. In my next part, I'll show you how I've made this pretty keychain for my wallet with a small bow. I've tried to make all in one rather than making different parts and attaching it. I've tried to make it all in one. So here is my keychain and here is my pouch. So let's get started. Alright, for this project I have taken crochet hook of size 1.60 mm and I've taken 4 ply cotton, soft cotton yarn. I had these in spare in white and royal blue color. I'm going to start this by making a chain of 4040. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Now my 40 chains are done and now I'm going to take one more chain, make one more chain and I'll twist it, and only on the back loops here I'll make one single crochet until I reach second last chain. On the last chain I have to make 3 single crochet. So 1, 2, only on the back loops, 3, oops, 4, 5. Likewise you have to make 40 single crochet on the back side of the chain. I'll complete this row till here and I'll see you then. And now in the very last stitch I'll make 3 single crochet. One I've already made, 1 and 2, 3. One I've already made here. Now on the back side I'll make single crochet on the back side of this. I think my needle has become a bit rough and I'll have to change my needle. So here I'll going to complete the other side of these chain with one single crochet until I reach the last chain. And the last chain I have to make 2 more single crochet because we have already started with the 1. So I'll complete this round, I'll reach till here and I'll see you what we need to do next. Okay, I now have reached the last chain stitch and I'll make 2 here, 1 and 2, and I'll make a slip stitch on this first single crochet like this. Now I'll start with one chain and a single crochet in this same stitch and I'll make one single crochet all the way round until we reach these 3 single crochets which we have taken here. On this we have to make 2, 2, 2, 6 single crochet here, and again when we will reach here we'll have to make 2, 2 and 2 single crochet, likewise 6 single crochets. So first I'll start making one single crochet. When I'll reach these 3 single crochet in the last chain, I'll tell you how we have to do, how we have to make 2, 2. I now have reached these 3 single crochet side and I'll make 2 single crochet here, 1 and 2. Then I'll make 2 here, 1 and 2, and 2 single crochet in this chain stitch, 1 and 2. So total we have made 6 single crochet here. Now again I'll repeat all the way around single crochets here till I reach this last chain where we have made 3 single crochet, and I'll make 6, 2, 2 and 2, and I'll do a slip stitch on this first stitch here. I'll complete this round and I'll see you then. So I've completed my second round, and now I'll go to chain 1 up and single crochet in the same stitch. Now I'll do 1 single crochet till I reach here where I've taken 2 single crochet in each stitch, and I'll tell you how we have to follow the pattern on this side. So I'm here on this side where we have made 6 single crochet, 1 in 2 in the previous round. So now I'll make 2 single crochet in the first one, then I'll make 1 single crochet, then I'll make 2, then I'll make 1, 2, and in the last 6 single crochet of this area we'll make 1 single crochet. So like this, and now we will follow the same pattern on this side where we have made 6 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 1 2 1 2 and 1. You'll start with 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and you'll end up with 1 single crochet in these 6 single crochets of the previous round, and all over you have to do 1 single crochet till here. So I'll complete this round and I'll see you then. Okay, so here I'm done with my 3 rounds, and I will start making 1 single crochet in each round. Now no more increase round. I'll just make 2 rounds of 1 single crochet. I've taken 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and I'll keep making 1 single crochet in each chain stitch now, and likewise I'll complete 2 rounds. So that would be, this is my 4th round and that would be my 5th. So I'll see you after my 5th round. I am at the end of row 5, and I'll end this round with slip stitch on the first stitch of this round. Now we'll start making pattern from here. For this I'll take 1 2 3 chain up, and I'll make 2 puff, 2 double crochet puff like this. Counting this 1 chain, it will be 3 double crochet puff. I'll make a chain of 1, I'll leave 2 chain stitch from 5th round, and I'll make 5 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I'll leave 2 chain stitch then, and in the next one I'll make 3 double crochet puff like this, a puff stitch of 3 double crochet. Chain 1, leaving 2 chain stitch, I'll make 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Likewise you have to keep repeating the pattern. I'll again leave 2 chain stitch. In the next one I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 1, leaving 2 chain stitch, I'll make 5 double crochet. So I'll keep repeating this round, and I'll see you at the end of this round. I'm now done with this round, and at the end I had this 5 double crochet, and now I'm gonna make a slip stitch on this middle part of the puff, very first puff we have made. And this time I'm going to change my color, so I'll not complete my slip stitch, I'll change my color. Here, like this. I'll grab the yarn, I'll pull it through both the loops, and I'll make a chain stitch, and I'll tighten this white yarn like this. Now on this puff stitch I'll make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 3 stitches as 1 double crochet, and now I'm gonna make 5 double crochet here. 1, 2 already I've made, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you're actually I had to take stitch upside. Three, like this. I have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now on 1, 2, third chain of this 5 double crochet, on third chain of 5 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3, I'll make a puff stitch like this. Puff stitch of 3 double crochet, 1 chain. Again on the puff stitch I'll make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And here on the third chain I'll make a puff. So you have to repeat this in alternate rows. On puff you have to make 5 double crochet, on the third chain of 5 double crochet you have to make puff. So your design will look like this, and you can keep changing the colors. If you want, you can make half of this with white color and rest half of this with this color, or any color of your, any color combination of your choice. But I will make it alternate, one row of this, one row of this color. So I'll probably complete a few more rounds and I'll see you then. Accordingly you can make the number of rows as per your desired length, and I'll do a few more rows and I'll see how it looks. If I need, I'll make more. If not, then I'll stop making and I'll give a finishing touch to this pouch. So I'll see you after a few more rows. Okay, so here I have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows of my pattern, and now I'm going, since my last row is of royal blue color, I'm going to change the color and switch it to white color. I'll switch my color to white color here, and okay, and I'll make one single crochet here. Now I have to make one single crochet every, I have to make one single crochet every stitch around like this. Every stitch around you have to make one single crochet. I'm gonna cut this blue color afterwards, and this white, with white color I'll make 3 rounds of single crochet stitch all the way around. You do not have to skip any of the stitch, or you do not have to make 2 single crochet in any of the stitch. Here also you have to make single crochet here as well, and on the top of it like this. I'll show you. I'll make single crochet here, then on the top of the puff stitch and on the side where the 5 single crochet stitch starts. So likewise you have to make 3 rows of single crochets, and I'll see you at the end of the third row. Okay, so here I've completed my 3 rounds of single crochet, and now I'm gonna do a slip stitch on the very first chain stitch here, like this. I'll grab some yarn and I'll cut. I'll hide the tail afterwards. So far our wallet looked like this. Now what we'll do is we will attach this chain here inside this here. So I'm going to turn my work this, and I'll attach my chain on the reverse side. I'll have to open it first and then I'll attach it on the wrong side like this. On both the sides I'll start attaching it like this. Okay, so I'll start attaching this with the help of this needle and the thin thread from the bottom of the last single crochet stitch, right from here. I'll take small stitches. If you have a sewing machine, you can do it with the help of sewing machine as well. But here you have to take very small stitches and only try to take it only from the upper side of the stitches, so that it would not appear here on the back side. So likewise you have to complete both the sides, and I'll complete both the sides and I'll show you what we need to do next. Okay, so I finally attached my zipper inside this pouch, as you can see, and now I'm going to make a small keychain for this. Maybe I'll show you this keychain in my next part of the video, in part 2 video. Until then, you keep practicing this easy and pretty pouch, and keep liking, sharing, subscribing my videos. Thank you.